President Emmerson Mnangagwa's controversial Goats for Votes campaign has reached Chirumanzo with over 150 women receiving goats under what is officially dubbed the Presidential Goats Pass-On Scheme. While presented as an economic empowerment initiative, critics view the scheme as a thinly veiled attempt to secure rural loyalty ahead of future elections. Sanabena mashoko ari kuda pangwa ine ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa the Goats for Votes scheme aiwa pangwa ine yosvika kuchirumanzu kuti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina mnamobuda nyumba mchinzi fronted by the Young Women for Economic Development YW4ED, a shadow affiliated with the links to the First Lady Mnangagwa. The scheme has raised eyebrows for appearing more political than developmental. Beneficiaries are being handed goats in what observers describe as a patronage pipeline dressed up as empowerment. In quotes, I want to thank our President Comrade Emmerson Mnangagwa and our mother Dr. Mnangagwa for giving us goats, said one beneficiary, echoing what critics say is the script of public gratitude engineered to elevate the ruling elite's image. As young women, we can be self-reliant, she added, though questions remain about the long-term sustainability of such handouts in the absence of broader support system. According to Dorcas Masango, Village Province Chairperson of Young Women for ED, the program is a continuation of Mnangagwa's supposed rural industrialization drive. The president is saying no one should be left behind. Encouraged by support from our president, we want to thank him, she said, sidestepping concerns about how livestock distribution translates into structural economic reform. Critics argue that while the goat distribution may provide short-term relief, it fails to address systematic issues like access to markets, veterinary support, or training in livestock management. Instead, the scheme is being rolled out with heavy fanfare and media presence, serving more as public relations exercise than a genuine empowerment tool. Tomashoko ari kuda panguva ine ari kuonekwa kunzi this move iri kucriticizewa panguva ine pachionekwa kunzi this Goats for Votes scheme panguva ino iri kungoonekwa as a way to secure rural loyalty ahead for future elections achazoitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Enda comment section medu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.